Today we unbox the Digitek quick release plate. Let's go. Very good quality feeling, full metal build, bubble levels on the side. The red accents on the knob look pretty nice. Plate slides out like so, but you have to press the pin for it to come out good. It comes with a quarter pin and 3/4 pin, which can be removed by pushing out this knob. It's essentially a rubber bushing. A little bit hard to get it back in. Please note the arrows. The arrows have to match for it to slide in properly. And then you tighten the red knob to secure it in place.